Frustrated by the DISM API module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To begin our DISM API module troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the DISM API module, the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM API Library. It provides the programmatic interface for repairing Windows images, managing driver injection, and enabling and disabling Windows features. If corrupted, the SFC and DISM commands themselves will fail, making the OS unrepairable without external boot media. This is a critical recovery level DLL. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute SFC/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing DISM API module DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the DISM API module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for DISM API module DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and DISM API module synchronization. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for DISM API module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.